Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to watch your TikTok app in the background while doing something else. So TikTok have introduced a feature called Picture in Picture, which basically allows you to watch TikTok while you're doing something else on your phone. So let me show you how to enable this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, go ahead and long press on the video. Next, you'll see this menu. Now to enable the picture in picture mode, go ahead and swipe left from the top and find picture in picture feature. Go ahead and tap on it. Now it'll basically tell you picture in picture mode has been turned on. So you can go ahead and go back to your home screen. Now once you do this, TikTok will run in the background while you can do something else. So you can browse, you can use your messages, or you can look at your photos while you're watching the TikTok videos. So there you go guys, that is how to watch TikTok while using another app on your iPhone in 2025.